How to fix WhatsApp notification sound. So if you want to change the WhatsApp notification sound or fix the notification sound, then first of all open up your WhatsApp application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has the three dots icon, and then go for settings, and here you can simply go for notifications, and under notifications here you have to turn on all of your notifications if you want to receive notifications from your WhatsApp. So after turning that on, now if you want to change your notifications on WhatsApp, then here you will have notification tone option. You can simply tap on that, and then you can choose any one of that tone that you would like to add, and after choosing you can simply tap on OK, which is on the bottom of your screen, bottom right corner, and that's it. Or you can also go for vibrate, and you can choose to vibrate it for a short period of time or a long period of time, or you can set it to default, or you can turn that off. So that's it, and these are for groups, and after that here these are for calls, and you can change that all, and so that's it. That's how you fix your WhatsApp notification sound. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.